So I got 2 free mowers yesterday. I got this yard man with the Honda motor on it, and it's got a stainless steel deck. And I got this old snapper. Now, the owner told me that the engines were blown. Now, I'm going to tell you why they're not blown. The reason why he said they were blown is because you couldn't pull the string out to start them. They would be stuck, like right now. Alright? He probably looked into it. But, same thing with this yard man. String, when you went to pull it, would not come out. I mean, it's coming out now, but I'm going to show you why he thought they were blown. I mean, you can get a sense of what's going on here. You didn't keep them clean. You got grass coming out of the yin yang, and this is it. Look at that. Rock solid. I mean, grass hindering the blade from turning and from him being able to pull the string out. I'm gonna have to clean these out. Same thing with this snapper. You can see grass. Didn't do a good job in keeping maintenance on it. And there you go. Look at that. All of that right there. Rock solid, hard grass was keeping the blade from turning. There's a little bit left. I still gotta wash these out real good. And I'll tell you right now, I guarantee you these mowers are still good. As soon as I clean them out, I guarantee you I will start these. Wow. This is gonna be a quick flip. Maybe $50 a piece. I don't know, 40 on this snapper. Maybe 50 on this one. The yard man. Wow. Beautiful machine. Well, a true test. Hard to do with one hand. Hold on a second. I forgot to put the choke on. Alrighty. Hard to hold the camera and pull the string.